Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, stick around. What we do on our channel is I try to show you how to use a pantry, straight up ingredients out of the pantry. No box of this and jar of that. It's basic scratch cooking food. I guess that's the best way to put it. It's just scratch cooking. All right. If y'all watched my channel at all in the past, I grew these wonderful pumpkins this year called magic pumpkins. And I have an overabundance of pumpkins. So I need to learn how to cook them more than one or two ways, right? Because I need to use them, but you get tired of eating the same thing the same way all the time. So I found this really cool recipe in one of my really old cookbooks, and it actually calls for acorn squash. So you could use the acorn, you could use butternut, any kind of squash basically will work as long as you can make a ring. So it tells you to cut it in 1 inch, which I'm a little bigger than 1 inch, but this is really thick and it's really hard to cut, so I did good to get it to that size. And it says to just cut them long ways across and take your seeds out, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to sit these in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes and get them about halfway cooked, and then we'll come back and add the rest of the ingredients. So let's get it done. We're going to go in a 350 oven for about 30-35 minutes. In we go. And I didn't even worry about turning it on. If you want to, you can go ahead and put it at 350 degrees and then it'll be ready when it goes in. You know, this is a toaster oven. It's not going to take but a couple of minutes anyway. It's not going to make me one way or the other too much. So in the oven we go. When we come back, we'll put the rest of the ingredients together. All right, while we're waiting, we're on about right at the 30-minute mark. We're going to start that glaze. We're just going to get a small saucepan, and we're going to take some butter, 1/4 cup of butter. And 2/3 of a cup of maple syrup, either homemade or real. I have real today, but most of the time I make my own. Now, I'm gonna put that in there. And really all we're doing is heating it up. We're not bringing it up to a boil, we're not doing anything, but just incorporating that butter in there. So as soon as it gets warm, then we'll move to the next step. Okay, like I said, all we're gonna do is just melt that down, get it nice and warm. All right, I am all melted. So I turned my stove off because all I wanted to do was melt that butter. Now I'm gonna set that aside. All right, now I'm gonna take my squash out of the oven. And I gave it the toothpick test. They're about half cooked. All right, now you're supposed to take soft croutons and put them all around and on your squash. Right? And you'll need, like, it said a cup. I probably have about, I don't know, 1.5 cups. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're just gonna sit those around. And if you need to know how to make your own homemade soft croutons, there's a video for that. I have actually a couple somewhere, because that's the easiest thing on the planet and doesn't cost you pennies, you know. All right, now I'm going to take my melted syrup and butter mixture, and I'm going to pour that all over my squash and those croutons. And I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 20-25 minutes. About 25 minutes. There you go. Y'all, look at there, look at there. Now that is a side dish. Oh, y'all. Oh, yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nice ring.
Okay, the official taste tester is at the taste test table.
Yes.
Trust me. You guys wonder why Tammy don't eat all her food, or eat the food. She does eat this food.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I eat it as I go. It is good, good, good.
I need a knife. I got to cut this right.
You can use a fork. I mean, it's not.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Cuts like a pancake, I guess. And this is the pumpkin squash. This is the pumpkin squash that we did the video on, right?
Yeah, those are the magic squash.
Of course, I knew that. I just wanted to make sure you knew that.
Yeah.
That is good.
Yeah, you can eat the rind or not eat the rind. Totally up to you. Randy's eating it, so it must.
Well, I ate it because it was there, but since you just said that, I'm going to try it without it.
Ah, okay.
It's better without it, if that makes sense. But yeah, no, that is good. I would like to have some dipping sauce, but we don't have any more.
No, I poured it all over.
You poured it all over, but I would definitely want to moisturize.
He just wants more sugar. He doesn't need it. He just likes sugar.
I want it drenched. But it's very good. I think I'm going to put some butter on it to kind of enhance and tantalize my taste buds.
Okay.
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 No, but that's good. I love the squash that she gets out of there, and I definitely love her croutons. Yeah. Nice, crisp, buttery.
They're awesome. Homemade croutons are the
Yep.
best. And then we just put maple syrup and butter on them.
Oh, that's what I could do. I could just pour some more syrup on it.
I don't know why you would need to, but okay.
I have to maintain my bigness, okay?
Y'all have a great day. Bye.